Ignite your financial future and leadership journey. In today's dynamic world, strategic financial planning and strong leadership skills are the keys to unparalleled success. This exclusive workshop is your golden ticket to understanding mutual funds, gold, and real estate investments while honing your leadership acumen. 1. Financial mastery. Grasp the secrets of successful investments tailored to your needs. 2. Leadership insights. Enhance your skills, learn effective communication, and lead with confidence. 3. Early advantage. Discover the rewards of starting early in investments and leadership development. Individuals driven to achieve financial independence and leadership excellence, committed to maximizing their investments, and passionate about cultivating effective leadership qualities. Don't miss this transformative opportunity to supercharge your financial wisdom and leadership prowess. Seize the chance to start early, invest wisely, and lead with purpose. See you there on 28th Oct 2023 at 10 p.m.